How to enable listening habits notifications on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable listening habits notifications on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications, and here just scroll down until you find this one here. And if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you see here, now just wait 2 days and it will be saved, and then just go back, and that's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.